Hello, welcome to my Solidworks tutorial class. To start a new drawing, come to new, click new, click parts and click OK. But before I do that, another way of doing that is just press Ctrl N from your keyboard, click part and click OK. We have two categories of parts. We have novice and we have advanced. You can use either of the two to create your part. So I'm going with advanced. So I click my part, click OK. It will take a few time to load the part interface. Now it is almost done. Yes, it is done. We can start drawing our part. Thank you.